The process of environmentally cleaning ductwork in a hospital isn't any different than in a commercial building. It's what you're doing to protect the people in the environment that's different. Before our IAQ technicians ever step foot in the hospital, we have already met and coordinated with facility staff and infection control teams to plan and determine implications for that hospital's ICRA. Our experience as indoor air quality experts is unmatched. Since 1984, we've performed our detailed services in over 600 million square feet in more than 10,000 buildings. Typically, our building sciences team will log the baseline environmental conditions of the occupied spaces with non-invasive testing and inspection. Once our technicians arrive on site, all equipment and filters are inspected. Then, personal protection equipment is put on, and the site is prepared by installing filters and duct masks to prevent cross-contamination. In most areas of the hospital, our duct cleaning process is performed under the protection of negatively pressurized containment. Both our mobile containment and larger constructed containment areas are HEPA-filtered. Some of our clients have asked us to install continuous IAQ monitoring devices outside of the containment areas to provide real-time data that can allow for quicker response should environmental conditions change during the process. Containment is not only important in the occupied spaces, but inside the ducts as well. We utilize HEPA-filtered negative air machines to create a pressurized field inside of the ductwork to vacuum contaminants agitated during the cleaning process. Inside of the air handling units, our technicians use a proprietary high-temperature, low-pressure steam process to sanitize the coils and interior components. Axial fans and wet-dry vacs are used to maintain water control and disperse the steam. Our team goes through a rigorous training process to learn these HVAC cleaning procedures, as well as all applicable OSHA regulations. As a trusted partner of hospitals and other healthcare facilities across the United States, we understand the importance placed on creating a healthy environment that is free from hospital-acquired infections, or HAIs. We are viewed as trusted indoor air quality counselors, so our hospital clients can be confident that we will leave their facility with better indoor air quality than before, all while being in full compliance with JCAHO, the applicable ICRA, AHCA, and any other policies and procedures.